From sound clashes to the Intense 5, let's see what made the list. The Met Gala, as usual, had a lot going on. Riri and A$AP Rocky were looking good, and Riri said it took hours for the flowers to be created. But Riri, queen of the Met. Trust me, she and Cardi. So, still on the Met Gala, Janelle Monáe says Jamaican food and sex keeps her looking good. Okay, Janelle, we hear you. Burna Boy was all suited out for the Met Gala. His look included some extra fabric, just hanging off. And I feel like him and somebody could have done who wore it better, but hey, he still looked good. Jamie Foxx has broken his silence after a recent medical scare. He posted on IG thanking everyone for their prayers. Rumors say, he had bleeding on the brain, but we will wait for official confirmation. And finally holding the spot this week, Valiant and Vybz Kartel. What a song hot! No, sir. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to hit up our IG page at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment.